Say bye.
Your other one's over there in her lap. She's got her camouflage.
Put your arm through. Like this. Just like that. Good job.
Sweetheart, does this one have a name?
No.
What do you think they should name this one?
Penguin.
Penguin.
He is white.
Oh, he is white.
Mama's name is Olivia.
Looking at her babies.
I like penguin.
We could do penguin for black and white. Right?
Now we got goats.
I like that.
Babies? Is that panting because the heat?
Yeah. Part of it, yeah. Need some water. White gave her. She had water and she drank it. That's been a minute. She drank it. She just got it out.
She better have.
She doesn't really want it. She just wants to lay in the shade.
Hi, baby. Can I pet your baby? No, you're not going to let me pet your baby, are you?
Just need a drink.
Yes, yeah, good.
That one's Chris's. I'll get your drink and hold it up to your mouth.
Yeah.
She's not very heavy.
Hi there. Hi. Y'all leave me alone. I've been petted enough today.
This year when we go to the state fair, we'll have to look and see.
They petted me enough.
What?
Oh.
That's where he poops.
There you go.
Yep.
You're all right. See, you have one and two.
Is that her baby?
Yep. They are twins. They were born on Thursday. So,
Oh my gosh.
so they're
Really?
only a couple days old, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So if I set her down, you can see she's not super steady on her feet, but she's getting there.
They can take a picture of all feet.
Yesterday, he's got such legs. He's like,
He trips over himself.
but yeah,
Aw.
he's kind of clumsy. But
Want to pet her?
Tom, can you please move?
Can I please hold her?
Pick her up on the ground.
No, I would prefer.
Okay.
Oh, but I walked by there, but I
Well, they're pretty quiet today.
Yeah, yesterday was his first practice with me, and today was his first real practice with this team.
Hi, guys.
Softball. Her dad coached softball for 30 years.
I feel bad. Guess what I just ate for lunch?
How good you are.
Talk about a guilt trip. I'm not going to touch you. I bet you'll peck my hand off.
Hannah was a pitcher, and then she had to do a shot break. She's really strong.
She played basketball and one of
Hey, you guys fighting?
helped with track and he wanted her to throw javelin.
Seeing who's the alpha and beta ducks?
The gray one is, yeah.
The gray one's the alpha?
Yeah.
What are their names?
Amelia is the khaki Campbell. She's 2 years old.
How long does a duck live?
Oh, usually 6 to 8 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, once they get kind of slow, they're usually an hour or something like that.
I didn't know they lived that long. Go figure.
We've got some at home that's got a year's worth. It's a lot bigger. Stinks. But you keep forgetting in the pen, dear.
What do you do with all their wool then when you shear them? Anything?
We have, we met people at the Renaissance Festival that teach the spinning classes.
Awesome.
And because our sheep are the black face, the black mixes with the white, so ours are not like pure to do clothes with. and stuff. So they just use it for practice and to teach people how to spin.
That's cool. We
So-
saw that at, what was that festival we saw?
Is this one's name Haley?
No,
No,
Since it says Haley.
that's
look.
that's our last name. That's
And how old's this baby?
3 days old.
3 days?
They're twins.
Oh, that's right. Oh my gosh.
They both still have their umbilical cord.
I'll tell you a secret about Cleo.
So pretty.
Much like
Thanks for letting us see them.